Hi guys, if you're getting this error, word could not start last time, safe mode could help you troubleshoot the problem, but some features might not be available in this mode. Do you want to start in safe mode? So let's see how to fix it. What you have to do, you have to just search registry editor and now click on registry editor to open registry editor. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this location, HKey current user, software, Microsoft and Office. HKey current user, software, expand it, then go to Microsoft. It's alphabetically sorted, so you should not have any problem, and then go to Office, expand it. Now if you are using 2003, choose 11.0, 2007 choose 12.0, 2010 Office 2010 choose 14.0, if 2013 choose 15.0, and if you are using the current versions like Office 365, Office 2019 or Office 2016, 16.0 you should choose. So here I will choose 16.0, expand it, and now you have to expand common, and now you have to locate open, fine. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to right click here, choose new .32-bit value, and now what you have to do, you have to name this EnableShellDataCaching. Okay, I have given this name also in the description of this video. You can directly find that name from here. Now once you have named it EnableShellDataCaching, double click on it and change the value data to 1, and now restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. Now if this does not get fixed, what you can do, just search fwiz.cpl, and the search box click on fwiz.cpl. now you have to locate your Office installation and click on change. Once you've selected it, click on change, click on yes, and now choose quick repair and click on repair, and it'll ask you ready to start a quick repair. Click on repair and it'll repair the Microsoft Office for you and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video.